Guys, good morning. In this video we are going to discuss about how to do groups in Tableau. Simple as that. So what is groups? The question comes in. Yep, simple as that. Whenever we wanted to have any categorical instances, kind of a labels within the same column as to fall under the same category, we might have to do a simple groups. Simple as that. So how do we do it within Tableau? Yeah, let's see that here how it works. Cool. So let me start here with there's already been a hierarchy here. Cool. Then I would start with subcategory so that we can understand it. Maybe subcategory or manufacturer, product name should work, I guess. Cool. Look at it here, we got 1850, which is basically number of rows. These many products is been available in a distinct level. But look at it here, maybe if I take the quantity, the sales of each and every scenario, every product here, look at it here, 3M is basically one manufacturer which is actually producing all these values. It's not that whenever you're doing this you have to get back to the raw data in any of the formats like Excel, SQL to get your data converted to your manufacturer level data or kind of a product instance level data. Here look at it here, 3M becomes one manufacturer, where look at it here, we got somewhere here, from here to these guys. All these guys is actually a product which has been manufactured or maybe acquired by 3M, simple as that. But similarly, like if we go for the other scenario like AT&T, look at it here, AT&T has these many products all together, but unfortunately it is not been grouped in a proper manner. So whenever a user comes in and then sees the data, it's like for AT&T, what is this value, what is this value, it's kind of a distinct product comes in. But ideally if you wanted to group all AT&T together, that is possible. Maybe let me do first for 3M so that we can understand it a bit, so that we can come back to the other one. Cool, this is what I have selected now. Now I just look at it here, there is an option called group member, simple as that. So it is basically what it's going to do is that it will just add everything in one place, simple as that. If I click that, look at it here, just 3M, it just grouped it. Cool. Now look at it here, this is actually having 3M hangers with command adhesive, 3M office air cleaner, 3M organizer strips, and 3 more. All these products together forms this final product, simple as that. That is what 113 output comes in, simple as that. Either you can do this way, if not, maybe if this is like sometimes you cannot able to get it each and every point of time. So that what I'm doing here, you can go here, click it, create groups, and the groups is basically only for categorical variable. You cannot apply a grouping function for a numeric variable. Cool, that's an idea. I click group. Now on top of it, if I scroll down further, maybe look at it here, we got the 3M's here. From here the other everything comes in here. I've chosen everything and then I click group and then it says that something comes in. I would just give 3M, simple as that. So this becomes 1, and then parallelly, let's take, if you wanted to do only like 3M and then like let's take Acco, if the Acco product starts there, the huge product comes in for Acco. From here cool Acco. I've chosen everything and then I click group. I create one more group called Acco. Cool. Then so we got Acco, we got the other one 3M. Similarly, we can keep creating n number of groups. There's no limitation for creating how many number of groups that we wanted to fall under. Again, I would go for AT&T and then I choose all AT&T products and then I click group and then I give AT&T, simple as that. That becomes my new group. Cool. So if we do this 3 groups and then I click something called include other, excluding this 3 grouped options, everything will fall under other, simple as that. Maybe let's do that again. Maybe like once we are done with this, we can go back there. So now these groups are done, and then I would give a name called, yep, grouped products. Cool. If I click that and then I apply, grouped product could have been created for us. Okay, I click OK, I go back, and then I could see, yeah, look at it here, grouped product comes in. Now I just drag and drop grouped product maybe in front of it. Look at it here, 3M is actually having this many products. Similarly, we will be having AT&T, Acco. Cool, we are getting Acco. These many products falls under Acco. And AT&T, we will be having AT&T with a lot of those AT&T products. Cool, look at it here. Now think of it, if you wanted to do some analysis only for these three groups, excluding the other into the other category, what we have to do is that I'm going back to that edit group. Within edit group, I include other. Okay, if I check mark it, include other, excluding those groups that we have created, everything will fall under other segment. Simple as that. So that's an idea. If I click OK, now what happens is that we just got other in the grouped product. We'll be getting only 4. Other is this number, AT&T, Acco, 3M, simple as that. So this is what an idea of grouping within Tableau. So it's not that you have to get back to the raw data in order to change your structure of it, group it, and then getting back to Tableau to do your visualization. All things persist in the same Tableau. This is what an idea of creating your groups. Now if I drag and drop the product name, ideally it works effective, which one it falls under, on what, and all numbers. Cool. So it works effective this way, 3M, Acco, and then others, simple as that. Cool, then yeah, this is grouping. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.